Welcome back to the Glorious Profession Academy. In our series of talks, আমরা প্রায় তোমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলি and we come with our new module systems that আমরা ICT যেটা Glorious আমরা evolve করছি। তো আমরা last couple of months back I have given you a lecture on YouTube on the psychometric test. I have introduced the different type of psychometric tests that ICT started using from the last session. And I told you different types, I told you the assessment system, I told you how the test has been conducted and what is ICT trying to derive from this psychometric test. এখন আমি তোমাদেরকে তার একটা এক্সটেনশন psychometric test আমি তোমাদেরকে আজকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করতে যাচ্ছি, যেটা আমরা একটা মডিউল টেস্ট আমরা নিজস্ব সফটওয়্যার ডেভেলপের মাধ্যমে আমরা গ্লোরিয়াসে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করেছি এবং আমাদের স্টুডেন্টরা এই পরীক্ষার মাধ্যমে they are getting lot of benefits out of this test. They are feeling very confident when they are appearing the psychometric test in ICT. এবং এই মডেল টেস্টটা আমরা সিমিলার একদম ICT মতো আমরা চেষ্টা করেছি যতটুকু সম্ভব করা যায় with about 2 hours of time and with all kind of tests introduced inside. আমরা অলরেডি এটা আমার স্টুডেন্টের মাধ্যমে আমরা লাস্ট কাপল অফ ডেজ আমরা একটা ব্যাচ আমরা পাঠিয়েছি এবং দ্য ফিডব্যাক যারা গ্রিন কার্ড পেয়ে এসছে তাদের ফিডব্যাকটা হলো যে দিস টেস্ট ইজ ইফেক্টিভ এন্ড দে আর ফিলিং ভেরি কনফিডেন্ট while doing the psychometric test in the ICT. আমি শুরু করছি। দেখো আমি আগেই কিন্তু বলেছিলাম I told you psychometric tests of different type like situational judgment test, it has verbal reasoning test, it has numerical reasoning test, it has abstract reasoning test and memory test. All these tests comprises the psychometric test. But এখন একটু ডিফারেন্স হচ্ছে আইসিটিতে for last couple of boards situational judgment testটা ওরা প্রথম দিন নিয়ে আসছে, that is first day in the afternoon with along all other psychological tests. So in the third day you will not get situational judgment test, you will get verbal reasoning test, numerical reasoning test, abstract and memory test. These tests you will get on the first day in the evening with all other psychological tests. So you have to, so আমরা যে মডিউল টেস্ট করছি you have to answer the 5 modules of each test with 3 hours 12 minutes time. Questions figure will appear on the screen with options. You will have to select a correct answer by clicking onto it. The time will be visible on the right hand side corner and time is different from each test. So let's go and start the test. আমি তার আগে কি বলতে চাচ্ছি যে টাইমিং অ্যালটমেন্ট ইন আইসিটি দেওয়া আছে সিচুয়েশনাল জাজমেন্ট টেস্ট 72 minutes, verbal reasoning test 21 questions 30 minutes, numerical reasoning test 32 questions you get 30 minutes time, abstract reasoning also 30 questions you get 30 minutes time, and at the end is memory test 50 questions 30 minutes time. So total test is about 192 minutes time. Okay, next. So start with the situational judgment test. If you can remember, I told you before my previous lecture, situational judgment test এ hypothetical situations দেওয়া হবে এবং একটা সিচুয়েশনে তোমার সলিউশন দেওয়া থাকবে total 4 or 5. Each of the solutions are workable. You need to select the solution in percentage wise. Situations hypothetical হবে এবং options দেওয়া থাকবে. From there you need to select the options in percentage wise. Okay, next. Let's see the first one. I will for your convenience, I will do the first one. You are aware that large amount of company property have been going missing over the past couple of weeks. We have noticed one of your colleagues putting stationery and in the equipment from the office into her bag on a number of occasions, and suspect that she is responsible. What is your response situation? See, how the situation, what is the response? See, 5 responses are given. First of all, gather more information, gather more evidence and catch a red-handed. Confront your colleague and ask about what you have noticed. Inform your manager that you suspect your colleague is stealing. And do not do anything if guilty your colleagues will be caught. Privately ask some of your colleagues if they have noticed anything suspicious. So now, in the computer screen, you will have these options. You see? These are the 5 options. Now you have to click. The first one, if you think, if it is worked out for 40%, you click here, 40%. Fine? Second one, you think that you should confront with your colleagues and challenge her. If you think it's right, you click 80%. If you think, third one, if you think you better if you inform your supervisor, is more appropriate, you can click 70%. And one thing is that you don't do anything, your colleagues will be caught automatically. So you have no initiative. So you can think 60%. And privately ask your colleague if they notice anything suspicious. Talk to the other colleague. So here you think it's about 60%. So you see, this is way you have to click the percentage of situational judgment test. So similarly, I will show you one more questions. Okay, one more situation where you will understand more clearly. Next, you see, everyone of the department received new computers systems except you. What you will do now? Naturally, we are right. So what is going to do now? Assume it's a mistake and speak to your manager. Confront your manager regarding that why you have been treated unfairly. Take a new computers from your own colleagues. Okay. Complain to human resource department or leave the job. Quit. So what is your options? You have given 5 systems. What is the percentage of taking these options? First one you can think you will take 40%. Second one you can think you will take 30%. Fourth one you can say it is 70%. Fifth one you can think you will take 40%. Next one you can think you will take 20%. That can be options. You see? So similarly, you have 36 questions like this, where you have to click the options of the computers. Understood? And again I remind you, it is on the first day along with other psychological tests in the evening. Okay? Next, which is the next test. Next, verbal reasoning. If you can remember, I told you beforehand, verbal reasoning that you will be given a passage, like a comprehension type. You read the passage very carefully and answer the questions. Okay? The answers are inherent and it is there inside the passage. You read out the passage very carefully and find out the answer from there. Okay? So next, you see, I will read the first one for you. The destruction of the word forest has proceeded at an alarming rate over the past 2 decades. Mainly as a result of economic pressures in the developing world, forests of growing trees absorb carbon dioxide, but it is released into the atmosphere when they are cut down and allowed to rot or are burned. The tropical rainforest, home of half of the world's planet, animal species are of special concerns. This is all about latest deforestations. Okay, very much prominent. So, what growing trees contain carbon dioxide? Is it true, false, or cannot say? Where is the question? You see here, President. Growing trees absorb carbon dioxide. It does not contain carbon dioxide. It absorbs and it releases. So it's false. So click false. Like this. So countries developing world get much of their wood from the tropical rainforest. So developing world, you see, tropical rainforest, home of half of the world's planets. Animal species are. That means you see, fully answer is not given, but it is there. The hints is given. That it is the home of the world planet, world's planet. That means you get all the wood from the. So answer is here. Cannot say. You cannot say where it is given. Okay. So next. So another is very simple. All football players wear jersey. Mate is also wear jersey. So mate is football player. True. May not be. False. Not be. Cannot say. He may be, he may not be. So cannot say. You see how interesting it is. Next. So numerical reasonings. If you remember, numerical reasonings is more of your graph, chart, percentage, conversion ratios. Okay, you have to find out. Normally, the students are good in mathematics. I said beforehand, like we do good in the numerical reasonings. Mainly, we have the graphs in the pie charts. We have the bar charts. সরলরেখা চার্ট থাকবে, বার চার্ট থাকবে, পাই চার্ট থাকবে, সেখান থেকে তোমাকে কিন্তু করতে হবে। Let's see one of the questions. এটা একটা সরলরেখা চার্ট। এখানে কোম্পানিজ রিজেক্ট প্রোডাকশন দেওয়া আছে 2012 দেওয়া আছে on grade A, B, C. এখানে grade A এর আবার দেওয়া আছে। পার গ্রেডে তোমার রেট দেওয়া আছে। সো যা এটা কিন্তু খুব ইজি। What is the total value of grade A and grade C between 2009? 2009 grade A and grade C widget production কত হয়েছে রেট দিয়ে বের কনভার্সন করে এটা পাওয়া যাবে কারেক্ট অ্যানসার ইজ দিস সো ইউ হ্যাভ টু ক্লিক হিয়ার এটা আমরা করতে হবে ওকে সো এটা হলো সরলরেখা চার্ট নেক্সট there is a bar chart which is shown on the flight cancellation London airport field of 3 airports London Stansted Gatwick and Heathrow This is the 5 cancellations. এখানে approximately percentage বের করতে হবে February থেকে বের করতে। So February 2020 আপনার percentage থেকে বের করো। You have to choose answers from here. Answer if you calculate it will be answer. Okay. So আমি দেখালাম তোমাদের এরকম কিন্তু কোশ্চেন থাকবে about 20 টাইমিং থাকবে 30 minutes গ্রাফ এন্ড চার্টস এখানে সরলরেখা দেখালাম এবং বারটা দেখালাম পাই চার্ট অনেকগুলো থাকবে ওকে this is all about numerical reasonings next you see abstract reasonings is more of like non-verbal IQs you have practiced in your practice days in Glorious also you made a lot of practice psychometric testing abstract reasoning দেওয়া হয়েছে series তোমাদের স্কোর প্যাটার্ন কমপ্লিট করতে হবে একটু critical than your matrix but it's very interesting and convenient let's have a look on the one you see now you take questions from it and select one you see very simple definite answer is A so there you click A okay next here you see just complete series the figures increasing so definitely answer is these examples of the abstract reasoning. Okay. Next. Now the most interesting part of the psychometric test is the memory test. A lot of people have a lot of apprehension about this, but it's very simple. It's a very interesting. Mainly color coding is used. One thing is very important here. The instructions given here with the questions, with the color coding. If you remember that, that's an important part of the memory test. Let's have a look on this. Click on the green squares. There's one. Click on the yellow shapes. There are 1, 2, 3. Click on W if there is at least one T. You see, there is no capital T, so don't click here. Small T, so don't click here. Click on the vowels. So vowel E, A, A. Click on the computers. Next. So remember the first two questions: yellow, green squares. Only one. Yellow shapes. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow shapes. So there is no T, so you don't click W, don't find W here. And next vowels. See the vowels? It's E, I. Any more vowels? And E. One more. Remember these structures. Next. So thereby this will continue. You have about 12 to 13 color coding like this, but you have to go back and remember the time. So that's all about the glimpse of the module test that আমরা develop করছি রয়েছে তার একটা আইডিয়া তোমাদের আমি দিলাম this test is about 2 hours test আমরা যেটা সফটওয়্যার মধ্যে ডেভেলপ করেছি so I request all of you to join us and have this test done before you go to the assessment this is the first time we came up with such kind of practice I think it will be quite beneficial and useful for you otherwise you can put your suggestions you can put your comments you give observations our IT department is fully alert. You can ring us, you can send message to us, she will reply and she will satisfy you. So please join us and improve your psychometric test. I thank all of you.